Hello and welcome back. Well, a quick update. The foreman and the worker are already planning, but the excavator is still not finished, so they have to wait. I think it's the engine. Well, empty room. The cockpit. And back too. So subscribe, it's free, you help me, you help them, and all the others. And if you like it, bounce on the like button, share if you want others to see it, and leave a comment if you want to see another construction set or another car, another Lego part. Let me know. See you there.